Tornado watch!
Tornado Watch 350 remains valid until midnight Eastern Daylight Time tonight for the following areas. In Delaware, this watch includes 3 counties. In central Delaware, Kent. In northern Delaware, Newcastle. In southern Delaware, Sussex. In Maryland, this watch includes 4 counties. In northeast Maryland, Caroline, Kent, Queen Anne's, Talbot. In New Jersey, this watch includes 10 counties. In central New Jersey, Mercer, Monmouth. In southern New Jersey, Atlantic, Burlington, Camden, Cape May, Cumberland, Gloucester, Ocean, Salem. In Pennsylvania, this watch includes 5 counties. In southeast Pennsylvania, Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, Philadelphia. This includes the cities of Atlantic City, Camden, Centerville, Cherry Hill, Chestertown, Denton, Deptford, Dover, Doylestown, Easton, Freehold, Georgetown, Glassboro, Hamilton, Media, Millville, Morristown, Mount Holly, Norristown, Ocean City, Pennsville, Philadelphia, Toms River, Trenton, Westchester, and Wilmington.
Let's go. Tornado watch
Here is the
was
regional
just
weather
issued.
forecast.